Welcome to the story Nook. Leo loved his toy robot, Sparky, more than anything. One sunny afternoon, while playing, Sparky fell and broke into pieces. Leo's heart sank and tears welled up in his eyes. His dad came over and gave him a warm hug. Instead of throwing Sparky away, Dad suggested, "Why don't we try to fix him together?" Leo wiped his tears. He carefully gathered all the pieces. With Dad's help, they glued the leg back on and tightened a loose screw in Sparky's arm. It wasn't easy, but they didn't give up. Soon, Sparky was standing tall again. Maybe not perfect, but whole. Leo learned a valuable lesson that day. Things might break, but with a little effort and help, they can often be repaired. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories.